Hey guys, hello and welcome to our channel STG Hackers. Guys, today's video is going to be amazing because in today's video we are going to write our first Python program and we will also see how we can use Python as a calculator. So now without wasting any time, let's start the video. So guys, for writing our first program we have to first open our Visual Studio Code. So we will create a new folder and name it Python. I have named, you can name as per your requirements. And now we will create a new file here. Okay, we will directly create it from Visual Studio. So for that we will open our Visual Studio here. I am using a big way, but you can directly open it. You can see that my Visual Studio has been opened. Now I will create a new file, name first Python program .py. Guys, it is necessary to add .py extension as it will automatically detect that it is a Python code, and if we will not write .py then it will take it as a text document. I will show you both the things. First I am writing .py, press enter. It will take some time and your file will be created. You can see here the logo of Python is shown. For using Visual Studio Code, you have to download Python also. We have told you in the previous video. If you have not watched it, you can go and watch it. And now I will create a simple file, text file, that I will name Python. So you can see I have created a simple file. In this file I have not added any extension, so it has created a .txt file or a text file in which we cannot do our coding. So we will use our .py. And now I will tell you about the print function in Python. So first I will write our first code, which is a print STG hackers. For running the code I will simply press F5 and I will select Python file, and after some time the code will be run. You can see that the code is running here, and after some time it will print STG hackers. It is lagging much. You can see that here the STG hacker is printed. Now I will explain you some brief about print function. So basically print function is used to print any value given in the parenthesis. So guys, don't forget the parenthesis. This is a very important thing, and if you want to print a string function, a letter, so you have to place them in double quotes. It is important. If you will not place them in double quotes, it will give error. For example, see, you can see here it is giving red line. We are using Visual Studio Code because it is highly recommended, and it always give us the required thing we all needs. It provide a variable environment for all the types of programs, which include Java, HTML, CSS, Python, and it automatically identifies the error. Like we have not added not parentheses, we have not added double quotes, or we can add single quotes also. We have not added double quotes, so it is showing us error. here, and you can also see when I run the code, the error will come. It will not print anything. You can see here, invalid syntax error. So to remove this, I will add the double quotes here, or I will add just single quotes, and now I will run it. You can see the code is running properly. Now let me show you one more type of error that can occur, like this is a high level thing, but you will be facing this error next time when we are going to write a big programs, when we will import some libraries. First I will import the one library that is not in my computer, that is Flask. I think Flask is, yeah, Flask is not in my computer. Okay, and I will now write the print function. So now it will not print the value, as the first function is not working. First function is not there in our code. No module name Flask, but this will be a very high level thing if we go ahead. So we will not do this. We will just remove it. Now we are going to see how we can use Python as a calculator. It is a very important thing in Python that we can use it as a calculator. So for doing this, I will first open my command prompt. We will see two ways how we can use Python as a calculator. First with the help of command prompt, and second with the Python prompt. So we will write Python here first. If you are getting this error, we have made it a dedicated video on the error. If you face any Python, now we can do any calculation here, like I am doing 5 plus 4. You can get the result here. Now we will see 8 into 4. 8 4s are 32. See, and 4 divided by 2. See, there is one more thing here, that when we put simple division, it will give us the point value 2.0. To remove this point value, we will just simply write 4 double division then 2, and then press enter. You can see that the difference between single division and double division. In single division it is giving us the point value, in double division it is not giving us the point value, it is only giving us the main value, which is 2. So, and we can do subtraction also. 6 minus 4. So guys, I think you have understood this till this point. Now I will show you how we can use it on Python prompt. So for this I will open my Python prompt. Yeah, Python 3.9, this. Now I will do the calculation here. 5 into 4, 20. Guys, in that we were writing Python in command prompt, then it was working, but it is the Python provided prompt. We have to do nothing in this. We just have to start writing the value and it will give us the value. It can give us the both minus value and the positive value. And 5 plus 2, like, see, we have given the value is equal to, so we are not we cannot assign this value 5 is equal to 2, because integer cannot be assigned. This we will see in our later part. Now there is one more way we can use this Python as a calculator, which is we will open our py. Yeah, we will open our IDLE. In the IDLE, there are two modes: script mode and interactive mode. So for using calculator, we will use script mode. Here we can do simple coding like print function. We can add here like print stg. Sorry, here it is giving some error for that because I have not added parenthesis. Enter. You can see here it has printed stg. Now we will do some calculations here. 5 into 4 20, 12 minus 5. So guys, till at this position I think you all have understand about these programs. Later on we will see many more programs using Python, and we will be introducing a new project after every 50 subscriber. Today we have 75 subscriber, and as we reach 100, our first project on Python will be live on our YouTube channel. So please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more amazing Python tutorials. Thank you guys and have a nice day.